Hello developers. So sometimes you see you are trying to install Drupal on your Windows system, but you are not able to install Drupal on your system because of this issue, like required ext-gd. So I will tell you the solution. Let's get started. Hello developers, this is PHP developer Panki. I'm having 11 years of experience in PHP framework. Let me give you the solution. Okay. So I'm trying to install Drupal on my Windows system. So this command I have used to install the Drupal 10 on my Windows 10 operating system. So this is saying this requires ext-gd is required in PHP. So to resolve this, what I need to do, I will go for exam. Then I will open my php.ini file, and there I will search for gd. So this is commented currently. I need to uncomment it by just removing the column and save the file, and we'll restart the Apache service. Then again I will try to hit the same command. Okay, Drupal 10 is already created, folder is already created. So what I need to do, I need to remove the Drupal 10 folder first. It is removed now. Let me check. Yeah, it is not there now. So now I will again run the command. Now you can see that issue is not occurring, that error is not coming, because I have uncommented the ext-gd package, so that will be enabled now. So now this is downloading everything whatever required by Drupal application. So once it will be done, so I will show you that Drupal is successfully installed on my Windows operating system. So you can see now Drupal 10 folder is there. Now if I will go for the Drupal 10 web directory, now you can see this Drupal application is going for the installation process. So after saving this, Drupal will be installed after this. So now I need to create a database. So I need to click on new to create the database, and then Drupal 10 will be my database name. So that is created now. So I will here write the same name. Drupal 10 root will be the default, username, password will be blank, and just save and continue. So you can see Drupal is installing now finally. Drupal 10 will be my site name, email address, name. So now you can see Drupal is installed successfully. I hope you understood how to solve the Drupal installation issue. Thank you.